Rock Slide Engineering, located in North Logan, Utah, is a manufacturing and engineering firm that has a modern facility with state-of-the-art equipment and serves the rapidly growing off-road market. Over the last few years, as the resources and supply chains have been a challenge, Rock Slide Engineering has navigated through a manufacturing transformation to improve its process. Not only do we house a traditionally manual production line, but we recently opened a 30,000 square foot plant with AMADA automation as the centerpiece. This highly automated line includes the steel sheet storage tower and loader, the fiber laser, the parts removal, full and small press brakes, a welder with dual tables, as well as the multi-point HEMA powder coating process. Our automated part flow provides the industry a very high-quality, tight tolerance product, as well as gives the customer a fantastic fulfill rate with innovative products that are proudly manufactured in the USA. Rock Slide Engineering has been manufacturing products for the off-road industry for many years and is most known for its flagship product, the patented, powered, off-road capable step slider, providing accessibility for all demographics into a lifted Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. We also specialize in bumpers, light bar brackets, skid plates, tailgate tables, and accessories for the Jeep platform. Rock Slide Engineering is positioned for continued success and has a solid vision of growth for the future with patents in place.